Namaskaram, presenting Nattuswarams on Devi that were composed by Muthuswami Dikshitar. On day 1, we pray to Shailaputri, goddess Parvati as daughter of the Himalayas, representing purity and strength. Ma Shailaputri governs the Mooladhara Chakra, representing the beginning of spiritual awakening and the foundation of one's spiritual journey. ॐ देवी शैलपुत्र्यै नमः। कमलासनवन्दितपादाब्जे कमनीयकरोदयसाम्राज्ये कमलानगरे सकलाकारे कमलनयनधृतजगदाधारे कमले विमले गुरुगुहजननि कमलापतिनुतहृदये माये कमलशशिविजयवदने मे कमलेन्द्राणि वाग्देवी श्री गौरी पूजितहृदयानन्दे कमलाक्षी पाहि कामाक्षि कामेश्वर वरसति कल्याणी।